Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case and then press and hold functional button right here at the bottom for at least 15 seconds until this little light starts to be red. Here we go. Now, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And then click on your headphones at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!